Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the Elements tab and begin by selecting items that match your layout goal. Select elements from the Elements tab. Search with keywords or filters like frames, photos, icons. Use specific keywords and the filter menu to narrow results by free, animated, or color. Click an element to add it to the canvas and position it at 1920 x 1080 or custom sizes. Drag elements from the panel onto the canvas, or use the keyboard arrow keys for 1px nudges to refine placement precisely. With an element selected, customize its appearance using the toolbar. Change colors using the color picker or paste a hex like #1A73E8 to match branding. Adjust size by dragging corners or entering exact width and height in px. Apply transparency, flip horizontally, or rotate to 45 degrees to create visual balance. For icons and shapes, change stroke weight or corner radius to 1/4 or 25% rounding. Use Replace Image to swap photos while keeping crop and effect settings intact for consistent layouts. Organize elements into layers and groups to speed editing and maintain structure. Group elements with Ctrl/CMD+G to move or scale multiple items together. Use Arrange to send backward or bring forward and lock layers you don't want to change. Name layers in the left panel and use double-click to edit text within a group. When ready to save, export as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Choose 2x for high-res or PDF print for 300 dpi. Use transparent background for logos and select sharpen or compress options as needed before downloading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.